Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to sharpen an image in Adobe Photoshop. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel so that anytime we post a video, you will get notified. We will begin by creating a duplicate of the picture by holding on it and dragging it to the plus button here. Now let's change the blending mode to vivid light and then head to filter and choose high pass. Remember, the higher the radius you choose, the higher sharpen you get. So we'll be using 1.0. You can use any radius. Remember, when we bring it up, this is how sharp the picture will look like, and it will not look very nice. So remember to bring it down depending on the image that you are using, the image that you are using. So let me leave it to 1.0 and hit OK. Now you can see all the image, the whole of the image, even the hair is sharpened, and we don't want the hair to be sharpened. So what we'll do is to create a mask and hit on Ctrl plus I on the keyboard to invert, to hide the sharpen. So now come to the tool here, make sure your foreground is white, your background is black. Now come to your brush, choose your brush tool and choose any size that you want. Now come to the opacity, leave it to 100, and the flow you can leave it to 77 or you can leave it to 100. Now what we'll do is select our marks here and paint on the image slowly. So paint on the image to apply the sharpness. So we paint on the image. We paint on the image. You want the eyes to also sharpen. So we'll leave the hair. So we come to the body and paint on it gradually. Make sure every corner of the body is sharpened. So as we do the sharpen, you can see the effect on it. You can see the effect on the picture. So we paint on the picture. Well, you bring down your brush so that you can go to this side and sharpen all the places. In case in the process of brushing you make a mistake to brush on part of the face that you don't want to brush, you can just come here and make sure your foreground is black. Then you come and you paint on the part that you don't want. So you can see now the picture is sharpened. This was before and this now. And if you think the sharpness is too high, you can come to the opacity here and reduce it. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to leave it at 100 so that we can see how sharpened the picture is. You can see then before this was the picture, you can see how sharp the picture is. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and also comment and push the notification bell so that anytime we post any video you get notified. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.